We're in trouble now.
No! Okay, guy.
Let's go. Come on, zip zip.
Here I go!
Yahoo!
Hooray! Question mark?
Hello.
Nice.
Come on, step it up!
We're going to count some kids today, looking for the chump clubby ones.
Hooray! Hey, what happened? Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on, step it up!
Get the.
Hello, everyone. My name's Mark.
Haite. Come on, join us. Da-da-da. Wow! Congratulations! Woohoo!
Hey, Stinky!
Yummy. Okay. Yahoo!
Bye!
Okay. Yummy.
Hey, Stinky!
Nice.
I am ready to put on a show. Amazing.
Oh, wow!
Oh no! Here I go!
Oh yes. Whee!
Go!
Woohoo!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Bye, have a great time!
Wow! Congratulations!
No!
Hello, cutie pie. Hey, what happened?
Hooray! Question mark?
Let's go! Come on! Zip zip! Woohoo!
Nice.
We're in trouble now.
Come on, step it up!
Ta-da!
Get the. Okay.
Good job.
Go!
Okay, let's go.
Wow! Congratulations!
I got an idea!
Oh yes!
Nice. Thanks, Pally. Hey.
Okay.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Here I go!
I am ready to put on a show.
Too easy. Okay, guy.
Oh, yes.
Sinto o poder do Van Haven.
Bye!
Here we go.
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice.
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go. You're a great team.
Whoa! Amazing!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Nani?
Hello.
Since you aren't prepared,
We are.
Amazing.
Here we go.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones.
Bye.
Wow! Congratulations!
here I go! Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa! Amazing!
Here we go. Hey.
I'm ready to put on a show! Amazing!
Okay.
Good job!
Yeah! Hey, hey, hey!
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, wow.
Good job!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go! Okay.
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones.
Bye bye.
I'm ready to put on a show! Okay. Oh no!
Are you alright?
And Tweenager.
Bye!
Bye.
Here I go! Cause I have $30,000 in
have a great time.
Here I go!
Oh, wow.
Hello. We're in trouble now. Hello. Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Help me!
Are you ready? Here we go.
Are you alright? Handle the answer!
Amazing.
Questions you aren't prepared.
My God, are you still?
Okay. Good job.
Here I go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby. Bye bye.
Are you still talking?
Okay.
Woohoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
We're in trouble now.
Okay. Hey, what happened? Good job. Okay.
Here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Bye. Have a great time.
Good morning. Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I am ready to put on a show. Hello. 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 We're in trouble now. Oh no. Hey! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Hey, hey, hey! My God, are you still talking?
Na 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 na. Oh no!
Hey!
It's hot though, right through the morning. Good morning to you.
Oh.
Amazing!
Okay, let's go.
Oh yes!
Here we go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make
Bye. Have a great time.
Are you alright?
Good job. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Okay! Go, go, go! Good job!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye bye!
Bye.
Okay.
Here we go!
Bye-bye!
Okay, let's go. Bye. Have a great time.
We're in trouble now. Wow! Congratulations!
Here I go!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked all night through. Good morning to you.
Ready to put on a show.
Are you all right?
Good job.
Here I go!
美味しく用意してバイバイ OK
Whoa, amazing!
Oh yes
Hey, hey, hey! Woohoo!
Good job
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Going to count kids today. Looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna
Bye-bye.
Okay.
My God, he's still talking?
Bye.
Huh?
Questions you aren't prepared.
Oh, hello.
Oh, wow!
Okay Goodbye
Here we go!
Bye. Have a great time.